Imagine stepping into a living room that feels warm, inviting, and beautifully lit. Today, we'll show you how to achieve this transformation with some simple yet effective lighting ideas. Welcome back to Visionary Designs. Lighting is one of the most crucial elements in interior design. It not only illuminates your space, but also sets the mood and enhances the overall aesthetic. In today's video, we'll explore how the right lighting can completely change the look and feel of your living room. Prepare to be inspired by these stunning transformations that perfectly capture the essence of a well-lit home. Many of us struggle with common lighting issues in our living rooms. Maybe the lighting is too dim, making it hard to see and enjoy the space. Or perhaps it's too harsh, with a single overhead light casting unflattering shadows. And then there's the issue of ambience, or rather, the lack of it. A well-lit living room should be functional and inviting, but often it ends up feeling cold and unwelcoming. But don't worry, these problems are easier to solve than you might think. With the right approach, you can transform your living room into a beautifully lit space that's both functional and cozy. Let's dive into some lighting solutions. One of the best ways to enhance your living room lighting is by using layered lighting. This involves combining different types of lighting to create a balanced and versatile illumination. Start with ambient lighting, which is your main source of light. This could be a chandelier, pendant lights, or recessed lighting. These fixtures provide a base level of light that fills the room and ensures it's well lit. Next, add task lighting for specific activities like reading or working. Floor lamps, table lamps, and adjustable wall sconces work great for this purpose. Task lighting is crucial for providing focused light where you need it most. Finally, accent lighting adds depth and highlights the room's features. Use it to showcase artwork, architectural elements, or decor pieces. Picture lights, track lighting, and under-cabinet lights are excellent choices for accent lighting. Now, let's talk about a particularly unique and impressive lighting idea that can truly transform your living room: smart lighting systems. These systems allow you to control your lights remotely, change colors, and set schedules, all from your smartphone or through voice commands. Imagine setting a warm, cozy glow for movie nights, or a vibrant, colorful scene for parties, all at the touch of a button. Smart lighting not only adds convenience, but also brings a modern and dynamic element to your living room. Now let's dive into the showcase. Get ready to be inspired by these stunning living rooms that perfectly demonstrate how lighting can transform any space. From cozy corners to elegant open areas, each room highlights different lighting techniques that you can easily replicate in your own home. In summary, transforming your living room with the right lighting involves a combination of layered lighting, the strategic use of dimmers, and possibly incorporating smart lighting systems. These ideas can solve common lighting problems, enhance the room's functionality, and create a warm, inviting atmosphere. We hope these lighting ideas inspire you to transform your living room. Try them out and let us know your results in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more home design tips and inspirations. Thanks for watching.